Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick haul from Lowe's. I picked up the Xtream 12 volt Dewalt Recip. Got a free 5 amp hour battery. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is a quick tool haul video. This is just going to be a introduction video to what's coming on the channel to give you guys a sneak peek. This is the 12 volt Dewalt Xtream Subcompact Series. This is the Recip bare tool. I got a free 5 amp hour battery, which these guys are scarce from every store I've been to. A lot of people are stealing them. This tool is the DCS312B Dog Charlie Sam 312 Bravo. 5 amp hour batteries, they're all the same. 60 watt hours. They are all DCB 126. I didn't mention that in the previous video, so David Charlie Bravo 126. Picked this up for 99 bucks, got a free battery. Actually got a bunch of DeWalt Xtream tools coming to the channel. There's a couple more up there. I will be doing also a large just haul of every single thing, every single item, just showing you them. That large haul, I will provide receipts and everything so you guys can check it out. I'm sure that if you guys wanted this, you probably already picked up these tools already. These deals end on the 28th. Today is April 20th, Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. They end on April 28th. But just a quick little short introduction video of things to come to the channel. Picked up all these tools because they are probably more comfortable for my wife. I've had her play with the displays before in the last year and a half, 2 years since they've been out. She likes them better than the Milwaukee M12 stuff that I have. I figured why not get a bunch of these tools. You know, $99, you get a free battery. A lot of the other ones, I paid 99 bucks. Got tool, two 2 amp hour batteries, charger, bag, and a free 5. So for 3 of these kits, I actually got 2 amp hours for 3 of the kits and a free 5, and then this bare tool with a free 5. And one of the tools I got, it was the hammer drill. It's 150 bucks. It does come with 2 amp hour batteries, but it's not a part of the promotion. But just a quick little introduction video, nothing major. I will be doing a lot more videos on all of these tools, so don't worry about it. There will be content on these. Might be doing a comparison. I might go pick up some wood and compare them against the 12 volt Milwaukee as well as the 18 volt Milwaukee. Maybe we'll compare it. The hammer drills, compare the all the impact drivers I have quite a few impact drivers. I got 3 Milwaukee impact drivers. I have the 1 key, the non-1 key 3rd gen. I have the Surge. I have the M12 Milwaukee impact driver. I have a Metabo HPT triple hammer. I have the DeWalt 887. I'm sure I'm missing one, but I'm pretty sure I have a couple more. Oh, plus the 12 volt DeWalt we just picked up. But short video. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will leave a link to these down below in the comment section as a pinned comment. If I forget, just remind me, guys. I put out a lot of content, a lot of videos. Sometimes I forget. Also have an Ulsa Tools link down below. If you click on that, it'll get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% for my next purchase, so it does save me money, help me bring tools to the channel for you guys. Also, all affiliate links are commission links. I do get a commission cut when you guys use them. Doesn't cost you anything extra, just gives me a little bonus for sending you guys over to whatever link or whatever website or link you click on. It does help the channel, does allow me to put money back into the channel, you know, new camera equipment, new tools, things for you guys to see. I do appreciate you guys stopping by as always. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll do an unboxing on this in a separate video. Be safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!